Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Pikmi Pops Surprise Doughmis. We found these at Target for $10.99 each. For ages 5 and up. Wait a minute, did you say $10.99 each? Those better be some good donuts. I mean, Doughmis. There are over 40 to collect. They are jelly-filled and you crack and reveal. It's a jelly Pikmi center. Inside we will find a sweet scented donut plush, jelly Pikmi, and 3 surprises. Each one comes wrapped in plastic and it says, "Look out for squish and rise Doughmis." Each one comes wrapped in plastic. On the back there is a plastic pull tab. You would think I would be getting good at this by now. And a paper sleeve. I think this can come off too. And you're left with a giant plastic donut. I'm getting all of these unwrapped so I can make my own Doughmi shop. Come on, come all to the Froggy Doughmi shop. 1 Doughmi, please. Sure, which one would you like? Purple with green sprinkles? Blue with pink sprinkles? Or pink with a pink drizzle? Surprise me. Okay, 1 Pikmi Pop surprise coming up. Whoa, it's mine. All mine. Help. We have to crack open the center to reveal the jelly filling. And yeah, that was pretty easy. Here is the jelly. Ew. This is super squishy, but it's not sticky, so that's pretty cool. But there are more surprises, so let's open the donut. The scent is very strong, I can already smell it, and our donut is wrapped up in this plastic. So let's see which one we have. Is it open? No, I gotta rip into the plastic. There we go. And our Doughmi is... oh, it's a little bee. There are more surprises in the bottom. This is a ring. It's like an ice cream cat. Our second surprise is... it's a donut charm. And this is... it looks like a couple of bracelets, or maybe use it to attach your Doughmi to your book bag. Here are the names of our Doughmis: Beelish the bee, and Jelly. There is a collector's guide that tells you all of the scents and the availability. Looks like Beelish is common. Our last surprise is a set of stickers. I'm trying to figure out what the smell is without looking. It smells like, I want to say like a caramel or vanilla. Oh, I was way off. It's custard cream. We can store all of the little pieces inside of the Doughmi case for safekeeping. That was my first Doughmi experience. Let's open some more. Gotta find that jelly filling. This looks a lot like the one we already have. Yep, it's Jelly the llama again. Gotta find out which Doughmi we have. Hopefully this is a new one. Yes, this is a new one. It's a cat. This is definitely some kind of chocolate smell. Yep, it is Monkey the kitten. And it is a chocolate cream. Let's check out those surprises. Ooh, we have a little tiny Doughmi. It sounds like there's something inside. Can we pull this apart? Yep. It has a filling. I just realized this is a doll-sized Doughmi. I'll take that, thank you. Then we have another ring, bracelets, and stickers. Come on, new jelly filling. And is that different color? I think it's a different color. I think it's purple. It's a rare Tibbs the turtle. If we have a rare jelly Pikmi, maybe we have a rare Doughmi. This time I'm using scissors. And our Doughmi is a crab. This one has a very fruity smell. I'm thinking this may be like a blueberry. Yep, it's the rare Appy the hermit crab with a berry glaze that I like a lot better than the chocolate. We have another doll-sized Doughmi with filling and an eraser Doughmi. The bracelets seem pretty standard, as well as the stickers. I don't know why I keep calling these bracelets. I'm pretty certain they are so you can attach your Doughmi to things. Our fourth one is another purple filling. Wait, this is different. It is the rare Snow the Snail. So we might have another rare Doughmi. And what is that? Like a turtle? The smell is not that strong. It's kind of like a vanilla. This is the rare Tux the Turtle, and the smell is classic glaze. So awesome. It came with another Doughmi eraser, a tag and shiny stickers, Tux the Turtle stickers, and bracelets. Come on, special edition. Nope. This is Common Buzzle the Bee. And the Doughmi is... Whoa, just realized there is a perforated edge at the top. Okay, so we have a penguin who smells like the classic glaze. Whoa, I was way off. This is coconut dipped. And Pipsky the penguin, who comes with another doll-sized Doughmi, a ring, bracelets, and stickers. We are down to our very last one. And we have what I believe is an ultra rare jelly Pikmi. I could be wrong, but I think this might be the zebra or the sea otter. Well, the only way to find out is to open up the rest. Come on, there we go. This is the moment of truth. It's a walrus, and it has sparkles, so that must mean it's special. It is Special Edition Boston the Walrus, and it is Squish and Rise. We have another doll-sized Doughmi, a tiny penguin, the jelly was the sea otter, and we have the usual stuff. You can also find small Doughmis. These are $4.99 each. Whoa, there's some fine print here.
Warning, scented product. Discontinue use if an allergic reaction occurs. Use under adult supervision. Use in a well-ventilated area. Keep away from heat, sparks, and naked flames. Discard the product if content leaks. If swallowed, the content do not induce vomiting. Seek immediate medical advice. Rinse skin immediately in the event of contact with pellets. Flush eyes with water in case of contact with pellets. If irritation persists or rash occurs, seek medical advice. Caution, do not eat.
Whoa, lots of important information there, so be sure to always read the fine print. The smaller ones do not have a jelly filling. You just open it up to see your Doughmi. This is Pouty the llama. Inside, there is a collector's guide, a string, and a little information. The donut case is considered a part of the toy. There are different cases, and these also come in common, rare, special edition, and limited edition. Let's see who we have this time. It's another fuzzy one. It's Zeppo the Hedgehog. I like the different textures on the smaller ones. And the hedgehog is rare. Maybe we'll get a special or a limited edition this time. Nope, it's just Sweets the Rhino. Common. This is our very last small Doughmi, and it is Dunk the Koala. And this is definitely chocolate. Another chocolate cream, I think. The scents are very strong. The Doughmis are adorable. You can have fun stacking them. But I would do it again. We can totally find ways to use them in the dollhouse.
They can totally be floor pillows.
And I can use it kind of like a boppy for my little brother.
Hey, Froggy, didn't you have something like this when you fell ice skating and almost broke your tailbone?
Thanks, Jade. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Pikmi Pops Surprise Doughmis. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.